Alright, let's take a start with IELTS speaking part 1. I'm going to ask you some questions and you got to give me some crispy answers. Crispy answer means short, to the point, according to the question. That's it. My first question is, do you have a pair of sunglasses?
Yes, I have Ray-Ban Aviator sunglasses. They look really nice on me because their glasses are huge as they cover my whole eyes. So I love them.
Okay, that's good. How often do you wear them?
I wear them when I go out in sun in summer season because those eyes glasses have huge glasses as it cover my whole eyes, which helps.
They cover. Now you have already said that.
Yes.
Now you should talk about something else. This will be repetition. Okay, so
so they cover my whole eyes as they helps me to protect my eyes from highly.
see, the question is how often do you wear them?
Yes.
The question is not about covering the eyes and all that. Listen carefully. I answer. How often do you wear them? Well, I always wear my sunglasses, especially in summer when the days are very bright and the sun is shining. So I often wear my glasses when I go outside in the daylight. On the other hand, sometimes in the evening or when especially I'm going to take a selfie, for selfie also I wear my glasses, but mostly on a hot sunny day when I go outside, I usually wear my glasses. That's it. Now you will not talk about it, they are protecting my eyes, they are good for my eyes, they are this, benefit is this, benefit is that. In part 1, we don't have time for that. 4 or 5 sentences, quick answer, you slip a little, examiner will ask you next question. Okay, now let's go on. Have you ever lost a pair of glasses?
Yes, I have lost a couple of times my glasses. Now I try to be responsible and to keep the place where I have put them in my lately. As I have lost many glasses, so it felt very bad when you lose such a valuable item.
Okay, this is good, but just try to add some more. Let's go on. Do people in your country wear glasses?
Well, as far as I know, there are a lot of people who love to wear sunglasses in summer season to protect their eyes from ultraviolet radiation, but mostly people love to wear glasses on some to be more fashionable, and moreover, some people wear glasses in spring season to protect their eyes from pollen of flower as they are allergic to them.
Okay, all right. Overall, it's better, but just be a little more confident and try to express yourself fluently. That is what we require. And do not slip here and there. Answer according to the question, right? Okay, thank you. Let's go on. It's your turn. Please clip the mic. So, we are going to have this question, drinking water is the topic, and I'm going to ask you some questions. Do you think we should drink a lot of water?
Yes, I think we should drink a lot of water because water has a very good impact on our human body, and it keeps our skin and body hydrated, and if we do not drink a lot of water, then our body will suffer from dehydration.
Okay, this is good. So therefore, it is essential to drink plenty of water. Conclude kar dena, answer will be closed then. How often do you drink water?
I usually drink water I usually drink 2 to 3 liters.
No, listen, the question is not how much, the question is how often. How often do you drink water? I drink water almost all the day, especially in the morning when I wake up, I drink a big glass of water. Then along with my breakfast, I take some water. Then in the afternoon, when I have my lunch, before my lunch, I drink 2 glasses of water. And during the day, if I go outside and it's hot, then I drink water whenever I feel thirsty. Okay,
Yes,
just like
yes,
this,
sir.
you can elaborate. Now answer again. How often do you drink water?
I usually drink water.
Water, singular.
I usually drink water 2 to 3 times, 2 to 3 liters a day, and so I have normally a water.
See, in this book, they have written it wrong answer. It should not be 2 to 3 liters. How often means frequency. So I drink water throughout the day, or I drink 8 to 10 glasses of water throughout the day, something like that. Okay. Do you drink bottled water or water from a filter actually?
I prefer to drink water from machines like a water purifier because it is safe and as compared to the water that is packed in the bottles.
So this
And
is the short
so-
answer. Add some more to
And
it.
so I prefer to answer your question. I prefer to drink pure water.
Okay, that's good. So just try to speak more, and you know, answers given in this book, they are not standard. Some answers are very short, some are very long, some are even irrelevant, so don't focus there. Do you think bottled water, sorry, do you drink, it's done already. What kind of water do you like to drink?
I like to drink normal.
Now you can talk about cold water, hot water and all that.
Well, I like to drink normal water because this water is not too much hot and cold, and if sometime when I drink cold water my throat was sore
My throat becomes sour.
and
No, my throat becomes sore. S-O-R-E, sore. Yeah.
my throat becomes sore, so I prefer to drink a normal water.
I prefer to drink normal water.
Yes.
Okay, overall it's good. Just try to synchronize your answers according to the question. 4-5 sentences, beginning, explanation and conclusion.
Yes,
That
sir.
is very, very important,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So gradually you'll be fine, inshallah.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot.